Ministry has not even sent it to the Parliamentary Affairs. I do not know if the President has sent it to Home Ministry.
No, can I add? You see, the Telangana issue will not go away. It has been there in the 15th Lok Sabha. It will be there in the 16th Lok Sabha also. As long as there is a finality to the question whether a bill to create Telangana will be passed by Parliament or not. As long as that issue is hanging, the issue won't go away. Am I right or wrong? It will remain there. Therefore, this bill, introduced by this government after extensive consultations and the Justice Sri Krishna report, has to be brought before Parliament. As the Minister said, it has to be either voted or defeated. Otherwise, this problem will simply spill over from the 15th Lok Sabha to the 16th Lok Sabha. In the 16th Lok Sabha also, there will be 17 MPs from the Telangana region and 25 MPs from the Seemandhra region. Whichever party they represent, there will be 17 from the Telangana region and 25 from the Seemandhra region. And the issue will come up again. One set will want Telangana, one set will oppose Telangana. And what will the 16th Lok Sabha do? It has to take a view. Do we create Telangana or not create Telangana? By simply basking in the uproar that is created by disruption from one side or another, the problem is not going to go away. This is the point we made today, and we hope that they will heed our appeal and help pass some bills and not put Telangana as an excuse for not passing any bill.
मेरा सवाल कमलनाथ जी से है। मेरा सवाल कमलनाथ सर इस तरफ। आपने अपनी बात जब से शुरू की तब से व्यवधानों की बात आप लगातार कर रहे हैं, डिसरप्शंस की बात लगातार कर रहे हैं। ऐसा लग रहा है
क्योंकि लगातार हो रहा है।
नहीं, ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब आप ये मान चुके हैं कि ये सत्र नहीं चलना है और डिसरप्शंस के पहले आप डिसरप्शंस के कारण गिना रहे हैं। क्या ये माना जाए कि संसद नहीं चलेगी इस पर? नहीं,
मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है, मेरा पूरा प्रयास रहेगा, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि सदन चले। सदन नहीं चलेगा तो उस समय देखेंगे, पर अभी से मान लेना ये मैं बिल्कुल नहीं मान रहा सदन नहीं चलेगा। आज मैंने सबसे निवेदन किया है, इसलिए ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग हुई थी कि ये आखिरी सेशन है और ये जो बिल पास होता है सदन पास करता है। तो ये इसकी जो आम होगी, शान होगी, ये आन और शान अपनी 15वीं लोकसभा की होगी।
Yes, Gautam, please.
Yes, Prime Minister is committed to these constitution amendment to for the ratification of India-Bangladesh land boundary agreement. Now, whether this bill has already been listed in the Rajya Sabha, whether you are trying to give a priority to it or fulfilling the Prime Minister commitment, or there is a contentious issue on this issue because there are differences of opinion on this bill. So, or it will put it in the back burner.
This bill has been introduced in the Rajya Sabha. Now it is for the Rajya Sabha to take it up.
Just one moment, please wait. Yes, please.
परंपरा हो रही है, ऐसा नहीं हो कि वो परंपरा 16 और 17 में भी जाए, तो क्या आप आगे आने वाली सरकार को चेतावनी दे रहे हैं या सलाह दे रहे हैं?
देखिए, मैं किसी को चेतावनी नहीं दे रहा, किसी को सलाह नहीं दे रहा। जो हकीकत है मैं बता रहा हूं, वो इसका कोई रूप मैं नहीं देना चाहता, पर ये हमें स्वीकार करना पड़ेगा कि ऐसी परंपराएं बनाना से हमारी संसदीय कार्यप्रणाली को मजबूती नहीं मिलती।
एक मिनट प्लीज, द लेडी प्लीज, शी हैज बीन वेटिंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। लास्ट क्वेश्चन। नहीं, पीछे प्लीज। थैंक यू।
So Deepshika from Economic Times. So where in your priority list is SEBI amendment bill to ratify the ordinance?
It's very high on the priority list. I raised it at the all-party meeting. I pointed out that the ordinance had to be promulgated twice. The standing committee report should have come in the winter session. It has not come so far. I hope it comes tomorrow or the opening day of the last session. I appeal to all of them that we would be doing a grave disservice to thousands of depositors whose money is at stake in all these collective investment schemes which were not adequately regulated. I said that it is imperative that this bill be passed. No one opposed the bill. Everybody said, yes, of course we will pass the bill. But no one assured me they will pass the bill.
कमलनाथ जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे और फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर से भी है, बाकी मंत्रियों से भी है कि आम आदमी पार्टी एक लिस्ट जारी करती है जिसमें कांग्रेस से जुड़े हुए 16 लोगों के नाम हैं और बीजेपी के भी 5 लोगों के नाम है। कहती है ये करप्ट लीडर से इनको हराना है। दूसरा सवाल ये है कि नरेंद्र मोदी कहते हैं कि ये जहर फैलाने का काम कांग्रेस करती है।
Have you finished with all the parliamentary
Is that
questions?
the end of the parliamentary questions? No, one by one. Is it the end of the parliamentary questions? Can we move on to the rest of the questions?
I think so. Let's take one final question.
क्या? We'll place it in Parliament with the action taken report. Yeah.
Once the action taken report is ready, it can be placed before Parliament. As you remember, the Cabinet referred the report to our Committee of Secretaries to prepare an ATR. The Committee of Secretaries is working on an action taken report. Once the ATR is drafted by the Committee of Secretaries and Cabinet considers it, we will place the report along with the action taken report, because that is a requirement of the Commissions of Inquiry Act.
One minute. Yes, please. Just 1 minute, sir. Yes. हाँ देख रहे हैं. I'm just coming to you. Yes, please. Mic दीजिए, please. उधर दीजिए, please. Mic.
My question is to Finance Minister. Sir, 2 questions. You quoted Jaswant Singh. In the run-up to the vote on account during his time, there were several changes on indirect tax since they don't require changes in the tax law. Is that a precedent that you're going to follow as well, 1? And 2, one of your key legislation is the amendment to the FMC Act. Is that something that you the Forwards Market Commission Act? Is that something that you discussed with the opposition today, and any chance of that being passed in the session?
No, on the first question, as I said, whatever changes are required to be made to excise rates or service tax rates or without an amendment to the law are being made and will be made. We have made a couple of changes last week. We will continue to make those changes until the term of this government, because that does not require parliamentary legislation or parliamentary sanction. We'll have to notify the changes and place the notification before Parliament. If it requires an amendment to a law, a statute, that can't be done.
Yes, please.
What's the other one? No, I don't think we are yet ready with the amendments to the FMC Act. We have to get the amendments ready, and then I don't think they are ready yet.
कमलनाथ जी, हमारा आपसे सवाल है. इधर कमलनाथ जी, आपने अभी कहा कि पहला जो है पार्लियामेंट में भ्रष्टाचार निरोधक 6 कानून है, उसको लाएंगे, और प्रायोरिटी में क्या कम्युनल वायलेंस बिल भी प्रायोरिटी में है कि नहीं?
मैंने कहा कि वो लिस्ट किया हुआ है हमने. ये कागज हमने अपने इस पर भी सुबह जो कागज मैंने आज सर्वदलीय बैठक में बात करी थी, वो उस लिस्ट में है.
Should we move on to the other questions now? Yes, Reena, please.
Neelam, please call whoever.
Yes, Reena, please. This is the last question we'll take on the Parliament session.
Yeah.
Just a moment, please.
Kamalath ji, is forming of upper house in Assam Assembly bills is coming in the Lok Sabha this time?
No. That's not on the list. Now, I have a cabinet committee meeting.
And Indo-Bangla land boundary bill, ma'am?
Pardon me?
That you've answered.
Indo-Bangla land boundary bills is coming to Lok Sabha this time?
I've already answered that it's already been introduced in Rajya Sabha.
It is not in the Lok Sabha this time?
Rajya Sabha has been referred to standing committee.
Okay.
It's perfectly constitutional to introduce the bill in Parliament.
मेरा सवाल कमलनाथ जी से है. अभी आपने जो कुछ बिल गिनाए कि इस सेशन में पास होना प्रपोज्ड है, अगर उनमें से कई जरूरी ऐसे बिल हैं जिसको पास होना चाहिए, क्या लगता है कि यदि हाउस नहीं चलने दिया गया, वैसे स्थिति में सरकार ऑर्डिनेंस लाएगी उस बिलों को लेकर के?
ये कैबिनेट तय करेगी, इस पर विचार किया जाएगा।
Just a moment. Just
All the bills, how can you bring ordinance?
okay. Two more questions. Those who have not asked. Yes, please. Yes.
भ्रष्ट नेताओं का जो लिस्ट जारी किया है आपने, आम आदमी पार्टी ने, उस पर क्या तक किया? उसमें आप लोगों के भी नाम है, बीजेपी के भी नेताओं का भी नाम है।
Should I answer that? Should I answer that? देखिए, बहुत अजीब और विचित्र प्रक्रिया है। जब उनके किसी मंत्री के ऊपर कथाकथित और प्रमाणित आरोप जनता द्वारा लगाया जाता है, तो वो अपनी खाप पंचायत बुलाकर अपने आप को क्लीन चिट दे लेते हैं और बगैर जिम्मेवारी के बाकी राजनीतिक दलों पर, राजनीतिक नेताओं पर, जिनके बहुत लंबे राजनीतिक करियर रहे हैं, मनगढ़ंत, बेबुनियाद और गैर जिम्मेदाराना आरोप लगाते हैं।
There you go. That's the conference being held by the senior ministers of the government, including the Finance Minister Kamal Nath, Manish Tiwari. 39 bills to be passed in 12 days. Kamal Nath saying it's a tall task, not possible. So priority will be given to the 6 anti-corruption bills as well as the Telangana bill. Finance Minister, though, made it interesting, said changes to indirect tax rates will continue. Some changes were made last week, and the government intends to carry out such changes. Tinkering with rates of indirect tax don't need parliamentary approval, so that's something we can keep watching out for, changes in the indirect taxation rates. He also said in the vote of accounts he would like a discussion to be held, that he's asked all parties that there must be a discussion on the vote on account speech that he is going to be making. We're going to